Hi everyone and welcome back to the Oh So and So. So today's video is my 2023 fall home tour. I hope you enjoy it. So sit back, turn on your favorite music for the background and enjoy. Have a good day. I absolutely love decorating this back deck. It has been so much fun for all of the seasons, but there's something about fall that I truly love. I don't know if it's the orange or yellow. I just don't know what it is, but it is so much fun. A lot of the things that you will be seeing is definitely thrifted. Always trying to come up with new ideas. Now, if you're wondering, where do I live? I live way out in the country. Matter of fact, this morning, there were like 14 deer just grazing, enjoying their day. Those throws are thrifted. The bowl, the orange pillows. I could just keep going and going. Alrighty, guys, let's go in. Decorating the table is always so much fun for me. Finding some really cool items at estate sales. And finding fake food. There's Dolly and Dora welcoming you to this old house. I wish I had music playing for you. I haven't gotten that far yet. I'm doing good to get it all edited. But this little guy is so cute. It's a salt and pepper shaker. I love all the thrifted finds. And I definitely love all of my collections of advertising. Alrighty. Now this was a fun video. I added some books to kind of bring up those scarecrow and the little honeycomb corn stalks. And it's always fun to incorporate my fake food. And of course, you know, my squeaky floors. And I'm definitely going to keep a basket on my door. I really like that. And of course, I love using the vintage. And primitives. But this year, I decided I was going to do something different and go ahead and put out my Thanksgiving treasures. I really think it added a different touch. Okay, let's go to the bonus room. How fun was this? I really like that. Alrighty, let's go upstairs. A lot of the items up here were thrifted, estate sales, yard sales, antique stores. And what would we do without Pinterest? Look at that little guy not too long ago. He's so sweet. I had completely rearranged this room It was hard work, but it was a fun rearranging. I absolutely love rearranging. I don't know what it is. I think every time you rearrange, everything looks different, as if you've gotten new things. And I've done good this year. I have not eaten not one candy corn. It's definitely surprising. There's Henry. Alrighty. We're going to go downstairs, down the hall. I did not decorate every room, but you know, for Christmas, I will. So I hope you stay tuned. I hope you think about um, subscribing to this old so-and-so. Alrighty, so here we go. Definitely love using what I have. And then, of course, this is the laundry room. I love my laundry room. It is such a joy to fold clothes, wash, and sort. Alrighty. Here's my little small bedroom, which I call the toy room. The overalls were fun to use this time. And if you didn't want to put bears and stuff, the chairs on the wall, you could use really anywhere in your home. It's funny when you got this camera in your hand and you're thinking, okay, Susan, you need to be talking because you haven't mastered the music yet. I thought that little frog was cute. And you can tell it's not sunny today. The little devil guy, he's not wiggling. And in this cabinet, I have a lot of old shoes. Of course, old toys. Alrighty. Back into the hall. The only thing I did in this bathroom was add that. Oh, me. And I got that at the Dollar Tree. I thought, well, how cute. If I didn't like what was inside, I could always switch it out to what, you know, a refill that I have. This is the corner bedroom. That closet is where I keep a lot of Christmas. So guys, I hope you stay tuned. I hope you consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the fun content that I have got planned for you. Now that was a fun project. Taking an old suitcase, putting glass in the front, and using it as a display. All right, I didn't decorate my bedroom, but I will give you a look, just in case any of you have missed that video. Okay, guys. So until Christmas tour, I hope you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day and enjoy decorating.